Alright, now let me take out airbag unit, which is located within inside of the center console. So we're gonna remove entire this trim, but I guess before that, take this little piece and make sure the emergency foot brake is on. And now I'm gonna push this, move the shift stick on the center. You can also remove this shiny part to the down and take out some clip like this. Oh, I almost dropped it. Yeah, I don't want to make it complicated, so place safely in the cup holder or something. And now you can take the shift knob all the way up. Now I'm just gonna try to remove this part. I thought that it sounds like almost breaking something. Okay, so I probably need to disconnect this wire. One shown here. So let me take this plastic out. Okay. Yeah, once pop up here. Once you were able to pop up here, now you can do the same thing like right hand side. Yeah, I think I need to disconnect it. Okay, I think I need to take this out first, and I should be able to remove this panel now. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna remove this small case as well. Did I mess it up? 1 and 2. Okay. Yeah, you can kinda do like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna remove the bolt. Okay. Oh, you should able to remove this too. Move the bolt. Now this should be freely movable now. Yeah, I think this bolt is suspended. I think it's almost free now. But now, yeah, cable holders kind of preventing. Yeah. Now, this is the airbag unit we want to take out. We want to remove this one. Yeah, as you can see, we are only left in 3 same bolts. Okay. Just disconnect it. That's it. Now we're gonna send this unit for the reset.